Right, so we're just going to be having a look at this video, how to edit a style sheet. So in this question it says you've got to create one, but we've got it already made. We're just going to be having a look at a specific instruction or two specific instructions in the style sheet. So just firstly, when they say heading style 1, they just mean H1 there. Paragraph style, that's just the P style. Web page background, they're talking about the body tag. And we're going to be looking at the table, specifically how to make the borders not visible. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the web page background first. So this would be body, the body tag. We're going to set the image 173bg.jpg so that it is tiled, repeated, and overrides the browser's default settings. Okay, so in front page, we're going to go and open up the style sheet. So to open up an existing style sheet, you go File, Open, you go and find it. So this was N183. I think we're going to use this one. Might have a different name, but we're going to open it up anyway. And we're going to go and edit it. So to edit a style sheet, you go Format, Style, and we're going to work from here. So I'm just going to delete these two, Table TD, just so we can start this again. So the web page background, that's the body tag. Okay, so we're going to go to the list, HTML tags, we're going to look for body, and modify. Okay, so to do the background, that's going to be under border. So format, border, going to go to shading, and it's going to be the background. Okay, so background picture over here, patterns, we're going to go browse, and we're just going to select the image that it says must be our background. So 173bg. Okay, unfortunately I don't have that file, but what you'd do is you'd go find it, you would select it, and you just say open. And you just say OK. Alright, so that is the background. The next part is the table. So this is the part we just wanted. So we saw in the previous video that you have internal grid lines and external grid lines. So table specifically talks about external grid lines. Internal would be TD. So for table here, they don't say anything about internal, so we don't have to work with TD at all. But they say that the table must have no visible borders. Alright, so just to go to the table. So you would probably go to list and table, but it's already here under user defined style, so I'm just modifying it. So modify, format, border. If you don't want the table to be visible, or its borders to be visible, just make sure the width is 0, and you just say OK. And that's it. Okay, so that was just the unique parts from this style question. Let me know if you have any questions.